Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my Ankara Nation channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make Ankara neck choker and Ankara bow hair tie. If you are seeing my video for the first time, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a new tutorial. Please share this video with your friends and family. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. Thank you for always coming back to my channel to watch my amazing tutorial. So let's jump straight into this tutorial. So for this tutorial, we will be making use of breast pad. It's also called wadding. We'll be using this Ankara material, and this press button, scissors, taper, and UHU gum. So the next thing to do is to measure out your wadding. This is 1 inch. Then for the length, this is 14 inch. When you want to make your own, put your tape around your neck this way. Put your tape around your neck so that you get your neck measurement. Then you add 1 inch. For my own, I got 13 inches. Then I added 1 inches, making it 14. That was why I'm having 14 inches here. So then you cut out your Ankara fabric. This is 14 inches, don't forget. Your Ankara fabric will be 1 inch longer. This is 14, and my Ankara is 15 inches, as you can see. Then the width is 3 inches. So all you do is just to look for the front and back. This is the front of my Ankara and this is the back. So place your wadding this way, like this, and we are going to be folding this Ankara fabric this way. So with the help of our UHU, you can use hot glue for this tutorial as well. So just apply some UHU this way, and we'll start folding our Ankara fabric. So you fold this edge first before you start folding in. Fold this edge. Then start folding your Ankara fabric this way. We are also going to fold this edge. Let's cut little off. This is how it look like. We're going to fold this other part. So this part, we'll fold this edge a bit before we fold it on our choker. Just apply a bit of your UHU and allow it to dry. Wow. I'm just folding the edges so I will have a neat work. When you are done gumming this edge, then you apply your UHU again. I'll fold this way. hold it to dry. So when your choker is dry, the next thing to do is to fold it this way, and we are going to apply our press button. So remember, this is 14 and my round neck is 13. So from here you measure 1 inch off this way. So this is where you fix your press button. So one of your button will be here on that 1 inch, then the other one will be here. So with the help of our candle gum, there's no light, so with the help of our candle gum, I'll fix this. So just this way. Under your 1 inch, just place it this way and hold it to dry. When you are done with that, we're going to do the same for this part. This will be here. So guys, this is the finished work of our Ankara neck choker. So this is how it will look like on your neck. So guys, for the bow hair tie, this is what we'll be using. This is the Ankara I'll be using. So this Ankara is about half yard. So what you do, you fold it this way. Fold it this way. Look at where they are meeting here. And make sure this other part too is like that. Just fold it. So this rough edge now, they are meeting at the center part this way. So you take it to your head like that, this way. Then make sure the hand is equal. Do it, let the hand be equal. Then you tie it. Make sure it's equal. So we are going to form the bow now. Just turn your hair tie this way. This is the bow. And just keep it somewhere. So I'll do this other way. Then this part. This part, this way. So we have a bow now. This way. Then you use your rubber band to band it. See what I did? Just using the rubber band to hold it. Then we're going to use another rubber band to keep it in place. Keep this rubber band inside the hair tie just to hold the bow for me. So this is my bow now. So I'll use my brush to cover where I use rubber band. And you spread your bow out. You shift back your hair tie. So guys, this is how our Ankara bow tie look like. So guys, this is the end of our Ankara neck choker and our Ankara bold scarf. Tell me what you feel about this tutorial in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and see you in my next video. Bye.